Hello friends, back again on the Yug Boy channel. Look guys, there are lots of toys. For those of you who are curious about the video, don't forget to click like and subscribe. For those of you who comment and like the most, brother will give you a gift. What are you waiting for? Hurry up, like, subscribe, and comment. Let's go! Wow, and finally, guys, we found a lot of animals here. There are lots of animals, and they are very cool. We just transport them into the long Tronton truck. But before that, don't forget to click like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. We just take the animals straight away. The first. Okay, guys, let's take the first toy and load it into the first truck. Wow, we found an ancient animal, namely the Brontosaurus. It is green. We take it again. Whoa, and here is a white farm horse. We take it again. Wow, there is the biggest animal in the ocean, namely the blue whale. We take it again. Whoa, look guys, this is a green dragon, very good ones. We take it again. Wow, there are animals that like to produce milk, namely white and black cows. We take it again. There was a camel carrying a lot of goods and he was sitting... Wow, look guys, the truck is full of toys. Let's fill the other truck. We take it again. Wow, I found a mountain goat. We take it again. Whoa, this is a city ceratop animal. We take it again.
And this is an ancient animal, namely Spinosaurus.
We take it again. This is a racehorse or racing horse. We take it again. Wow, and this is a friend's elephant. Look at the elephant. It's very big, isn't it? We take it again. This camel is orange in color. Wow, look guys, the truck is full of toys. Let's fill the other truck. We take it again. Wow, and here is another ancient animal, namely the Stegosaurus. We take it again.
And this is an ancient animal, namely Spinosaurus. This Spinosaurus is yellow.
We take it again. Wow, and here is a blue dolphin. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, and here we find a toy dragon animal. This dragon animal is red, guys. We take it again. Wow, the buffalo plows the fields. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, we meet again with a cool orange racing horse. Nice and beautiful color. Wow, look guys, the truck is full of toys. Let's fill the other truck. We take it again. Whoa, this is a city ceratop animal. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Whoa, this one is the millipede caterpillar's toy. Nice and beautiful color. We take it again. Wow, and this is a predatory animal, namely a crocodile. Look at its very sharp teeth. We take it again. There is also a toy racing horse here. This racing horse is brown in color. We take it again. And the toy here is a dinosaur, and its name is Stegosaurus. Okay, guys, we got a lot of toys. Let's take it home right away. Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment, guys. See you, bye-bye.